Musajja mukulu, comment zonna eziri negative z'oteekawo nziraba. Naye, by the way, I am responding to this individual simply because I am pretty sure you are going to visit his profile and try to relate his physical appearance with the lunacy that he has showed up here. Toina Chonsinga, that I have nothing on you. Yeah, you are saying that simply because you create an imaginary competition with a person you barely know about. Never have I posted material things that I have my name on here on social media, unless with your unwitting mind you interpret these little essential things that keep my life moving as material or things that are worthy bragging about. Another thing, you say that well, we are different. Of course. Tuli banjawulo. I am caramel, oli bongo. Let me talk about things that are God-given. I mean, things that are empirically proven that you cannot achieve without divine intervention. I am born and raised in Kampala, Lubiri Secondary School. I am an old member of undergraduate and graduate school of economics, Makerere University, well-traveled all over the world. I am extremely intelligent with vast astronomical knowledge about world economics. That makes me sophisticated. These things are proven, empirically proven. So if you thought that I am this modest person that you can come, step on and go, or that you can come and demoralize and celebrate, I bet you are doing something very, very wrong. And I recommend you to go and visit Proverbs 23, verse 9, and Proverbs 14, verse 8.